5 tricks for restoring your energy during tough times. Challenging times are a part of life. Though you might be feeling exhausted and even powerless while trying to restore your energy, you need to remember that it happens to everyone. It could be a difficult financial period, a complicated situation in your close relationships, loneliness, health issues, a harsh defeat. Challenging times are a part of life. Though you might be feeling exhausted and even powerless while trying to restore your energy, you need to remember that it happens to everyone. It could be a difficult financial period, a complicated situation in your close relationships, loneliness, health issues, a harsh defeat, or failure that has drained you of your energy. But either ways, it's temporary. And restoring energy is an important next step. Everything in life has cycles. Sometimes you just feel down and that's okay. But eventually, the wheel turns and you get back to the horse. It may be challenging to see that in the middle of your struggle, but it's all temporary. In hard times, when it's hard to see the way out, it's important to remind yourselves that you are the one making the decisions and you're the one that has the ability to choose. You can choose how you are handling your situation. You can dwell and stay stuck on your difficulties and unfortunate situation, or you can help yourself getting better and restore your energy one step at a time. How can you make tomorrow better than today? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just need to stay positive and change your current daily routine bit by bit. The following 5 simple tricks will also make a huge difference for you, enabling you to improve your mood quickly to help you in restoring energy during tough times.
Hello viewers, welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel and thanks for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing and also turn on notification so you don't miss any of our subsequent videos. We always love to produce videos that add value to the Business in Africa community. So if you have any suggested videos that you would love us to produce, drop it in the comment section below so we can do that video just for you.
Number 1, connect to your inner child. The first thing that you have to do when you're working your way out of the hole is to forgive yourself and to be compassionate. If you're going to keep dwelling on your mistakes and continue beating yourself up, it will be nearly impossible for you to find more energy inside you. When you're forgiving yourself and being compassionate with yourself, you're putting less focus and energy on the problem, and you're on the right track for restoring your energy. A powerful trick for accessing this energy is by connecting to your inner child. If your 8-year-old self was in this situation, what will you tell him or her? Can you connect to the feelings that you felt during hard times that you've been through as a young child? Can you remember how intense those feelings were? How would you cheer him or her up? What will you tell your little self if he or she were in the same situation instead of you? When you are trying to see things through this perspective, you automatically feel empathetic and compassionate. Every time you're detecting negative emotions or thoughts, think about the situation that troubles your mind as if your 8-year-old self was going through it. You'll be amazed to see how different your automatic responses to your 8-year-old self's way of handling the situation is. Can you give yourself the same gift of compassion and generosity? Number 2, change your physical state. Are you exercising? I'm sure that you know that exercising is an all-natural treatment to fight depression and stress and understand the massive advantages of physical activity. So are you exercising? Your emotional state, quality of life, and level of performance are inseparable from your physical state. When you're going through a rough patch, it's time to restore your energy by changing this, as your physical state is a major factor determining how you feel. You don't have to be the toughest person alive and begin running ultra marathons. You just need to install more movement in your current routine and schedule. Understand that when you're changing your physical state, your emotions change as well. If you are currently feeling that you are drained and have no energy, that you are powerless and exhausted, isn't that the time for you to take a look at your physical routine? What are you doing most of the day? Are you sitting, lying down on the couch or in bed, stuck into your car or office seat most of the day? If that's the case, isn't it obvious that adding more movement and activity to your daily routine can pop up your energy? It's important to remember that a new day will eventually come when the challenge has been overcome. And if you know that things will improve over time, why not imagine your ideal life? Why not go with it all the way and imagine something that really excites you and make you feel alive? When you are imagining an ideal picture of your future life and your future self, you're connecting to a positive mental state. And when you are in a positive mental state, all of a sudden your problems seem smaller and your energies and capabilities feel much more robust and accessible. How can you instill these 5-minute positive breaks during your day? How can you adopt this powerful, positive and energetic visualization and connection in your daily schedule? This is something that is definitely worth the time, since you know how fun and relaxing it feels to daydream even once in a while. 5 minutes of a positive mental state is a great way to energize yourself, to give yourself a little break from everything that's going on in your life. And these 5 minutes accumulate as you will have more energy with every positive mental break that you take. After a while, you see that these positive breaks are becoming your positive anchor, fueling you with energy and optimism and enabling you to find more in yourself as the power of momentum works its magic. Number 5, find someone to look up to. Who do you look up to? Who do you adore? Whether it's a friend or relative of yours that you appreciate a lot, or a celebrity athlete, movie star or singer, they are people just like you. They have also had bad times. Take some time to listen to their stories. Can you imagine what they went through and what they did to bounce back? How did they restore their energy during tough times? If they were in your shoes, what would they do in this situation? Furthermore, can you imagine what they would tell you if they were next to you right now? If you share your story with them, what piece of advice would they give you? How would that advice affect you? Remember, they are people just like you, with strengths and weaknesses that overcame obstacles. And you can gain power and energy from connecting to their stories and seeing yourself in the same situation. Final thought. Remember, tough times are temporary, but the techniques you build in learning about restoring energy in your life can last years and help you through countless challenges.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, hit on the like button and also make sure you share. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on notification as well, so that each time we upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. And before you go, make sure you drop us a comment with any suggested topics you want us to cover in our subsequent videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy New Year 2020 Africa, and welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. Last year, you probably didn't see me much recording like this, right? But I want to tell you something, because this year, you're going to be watching me talk a lot about business in Africa. This year, I'll be bringing in a lot of entrepreneurs and CEOs all around Africa, just so that we tap into their specific experiences and get to learn a lot about doing business in Africa. And also, I'll be running a mentorship program, and I call that the Rufus Business Coaching and Mentorship Program. So if you want to be part of this mentorship program, contact me right now on WhatsApp or send me an email using the contacts on the screen right now, and I'll respond to you directly. If you are already doing some kind of business in Malawi, Namibia, Rwanda, Ghana, or in Cameroon, and you want to expand your business beyond your country, that's to other parts of Africa, then you are right here in the right place, because that's what we do. We try to export local businesses to becoming continental, right? So you need to grow out of your country. So if you want funding, of course, which I know funding is one of the major problems that we face in Africa, you can also contact me. Let's talk about your funding needs, because I've also got a lot of people contacting me on a daily basis that they want to invest in Africa. They are looking for potential business ventures to put their money in. So hope this year is going to be a great year for both of us and all of us. And again, I wish you a wonderful new year. Don't go away. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and make sure you click on the subscribe button right now, and also click on the notification bell, so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.